So we're given an expression here and asked to simplify this. This is division, and we have powers involved here. One important thing, and this is what trips up a lot of students, is to recognize this exponent. So in the numerator, this exponent of 9 is only on the x. It's not on the 14. So this is not 14 to the ninth power. It's just 14 times x to the ninth power. And the same thing is true in the denominator. The x has an exponent of 2/3. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is simplify the 14 and the 2. Again, those don't have exponents, so I can just do 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So the 14 divided by 2 gives me 7. And then powers divided by powers, the way you simplify those is by subtracting the exponents. So we're going to do 9 minus 2/3. So we're going to have the x, and then the exponent is going to be 9 minus 2/3. And so 9 minus 2/3, so that would be 27/3 here. So that would be 25/3. So this simplifies to 7 times x to the 25/3 power. I don't know that that's how you say that, but that's what I'm going by. So there you go. So the answer is A. Keep it up. You're doing great. You will master the math.